Affiliate marketing in 3 steps.
Affiliate marketing is a process where the merchant will pay a portion of their sales revenue to an affiliate if the sale is result of the affiliate's promotion to the products and services offered by the merchant. Nowadays, it's one of the fastest growing industries because it's cost efficient and quantifiable for both the affiliate and the merchant. Other players can profit as well, such as the affiliate network or the affiliate solutions provider. The best benefit for the merchant is the fact that he will gain opportunities to advertise his products to a much larger market, therefore increasing his chances to earn. The more affiliates the merchant obtains, the more sales he can expect. With the merchant having affiliates market his products and services, he will save himself time, effort, and money in looking for markets as well as customers. The affiliate marketer will benefit from each customer that clicks on the link in his website and who actually purchases a product from the merchant. If you have wanted to join the growing legion of affiliate marketers and have an unlimited potential for income, simply follow these 3 steps to start an effective affiliate marketing program. 1. Identify something that interests you or you feel very passionate about. Then, focus on a specific area you know a lot about, as this will help you bring out your best and give your visitors who are possible buyers a demonstration of your expert in this field. This way, you'll gain their trust and encourage them to buy the products that you endorse. 2. Search for merchants and products or services that are related to your interest, then create a website with top-level domain names and very reliable hosting. When you choose the products for your website, you need to consider the commission structure and the conversion rate. There are many different affiliate networks and affiliate solution providers where you can obtain the information on most profitable products and which merchants pay the best. Take your time, and be sure you choose the right one. 3. Now, you are ready to promote. You've chosen everything you need and even created your very own website. You'll need to be creative, flexible, and willing to embrace new ideas. By this stage, you'll be well on your way to making more money than you ever imagined, and enjoying every minute of it.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.